Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 3 best vegan protein powders in 2021 you can buy Amazon. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 3 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. We understand that jumping on the vegan protein powder bandwagon is giving you some significant difficulties. There are so many options on the market that it can quickly become overwhelming before it can be of any use. But the good news is that looking for the best vegan protein powder doesn't have to be stressful or induce heartburn. We've decided to go on the quest for you and let you pick the best option from our top 3 options. Vegan protein powders are a distinct breed in their own right. They have their own quirks and idiosyncrasies, as well as tips and tricks. Finding one that you enjoy does not guarantee that your exercise companion will enjoy it as well. Who cares, right? It's not about what other people think. It all comes down to what you desire and what your body requires. Number 3. Organic protein powder. What is it that makes this protein powder a bestseller? Is it the smooth and creamy flavor? The delicious taste? The fact that it serves up 21 grams of organic, vegan protein in every serving? Or that it's so easy to prepare? Truthfully, it's all of this and more. Not only does our plant-based protein powder serve up the tastiest, creamiest protein, but it's made with uber clean ingredients too. Enjoy a protein powder that's certified USDA organic, non-GMO, and made without soy, dairy, gluten, or artificial preservatives or flavors. On top of all of that, it boasts 5 to 7 grams of prebiotic plus fiber, 0 to 1 gram of sugar, and has 150 calories or less. Plus, when it comes to flavor, this powder delivers. At Orgain we celebrate taste, and we take it seriously, because we recognize that part of living a healthy, vibrant life is loving what you eat. Go ahead, fuel up with the powder that's a treat for both your taste buds and your body. Varies by flavor. Number 2. Garden of Life Sport Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder. Organic plant-based protein is the cleanest protein available, having quadruple, third-party certification saying so. Not only is it certified USDA organic and non-GMO project verified, organic plant-based protein takes it to the next level for sport by being NSF certified for sport and informed choice for sport certified. This ensures there are no banned athletic substances, just whole clean nutrients. Organic plant-based protein offers a blend of certified organic proteins from multiple sources, featuring US-grown organic peas, to give it a great smooth and creamy texture. Then we added other quality proteins such as organic garbanzo beans, organic navy beans, organic lentils and organic cranberry seed protein. One serving delivers 3 og of complete protein, providing a full profile of all the essential amino acids, 5.5 grams BCAAs and 5 grams glutamine, which are important to help reduce recovery time after exercise. There are no synthetic branched-chain amino acids. They all come from the organic ingredients. The Organic Muscle Recovery Blend includes organic tart cherries, organic apples, organic turmeric, organic goji berries and organic blueberries. These antioxidants are known to promote faster recovery. Because many sports participants compromise their immune systems due to intense training programs, we added 2 billion CFU of a specially selected, clinically studied probiotic that has been shown to support immune health during intensive workouts. Refuels and repairs muscles, promotes faster recovery, supports immune system. No added sugars, take within an hour after workout and throughout the day. Number 1. Vegan Smart Plant-Based Vegan Protein. Complete Protein Blend contains 5 different non-GMO plant-based proteins, providing all the essential amino acids in precise proportions, readily usable by the body, for building and repairing tissue and muscle. Whole Food Complex includes 9 different healthy colorful fruits and vegetables, offering naturally occurring polyphenols, antioxidants and flavonoids to support overall wellness. 22 vitamins and minerals act as catalysts in thousands of biochemical reactions every day to support normal and healthy cell function. Fiber and Omega Blend provides 6 grams of dietary fiber to help keep you regular. Also contains over 200 milligrams of omega-3 to support a healthy brain, heart and circulatory system. Prebiotics contains 150 milligrams active allobioactive polysaccharides that stimulate the growth and maintenance of beneficial intestinal flora. Digestive Enzymes Blend assists in digesting foods more completely for greater absorption of nutrients and the good health that goes with them.